I have two quick tips for you on LinkedIn today that I wanted to share. Okay, a tip for LinkedIn prospecting. Okay, so I'm in LinkedIn here, and there's a little green dot down here by the messaging, and that shows my first three connections that they're online. Now, if I want to message somebody on LinkedIn, I can see any first three connection that is online currently, and it's usually a good strategy to send them a message because they're currently on the platform and they're using it. Because LinkedIn, sometimes people won't message. They'll take a few weeks to get a response. Now, that's one tip for prospecting. Now, a tip if you don't want to be prospected is go up to your profile, click on settings, okay, then go to visibility of your LinkedIn activity, manage active status, change. And now I can choose who I want to see that my little green dot that I'm active. So I can do your connections only, all LinkedIn members, or no one. I'm going to hit no one, and it's updated. It's saved. Now, if I go back to LinkedIn, the green dot is gone.